Carlin, I am so excited because we have a new offering.
Yes, we're going to do a workshop very much like what Betty and I did in New York City. 2 days, November 9th and 10th. You can fly in. It's going to be in Cleveland, Ohio, in this beautiful industrial loft space. We have the whole building.
Yes. So it's safe and secure. It's 5 minutes from downtown Cleveland. You will create your own experience by finding your own lodging. There are plenty of hotels and Airbnbs nearby. It's close to Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. You're just 20 minutes away. So no matter where you're located, you can get yourself to Cleveland.
So it's going to be 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Mhm.
We're going to serve brunch. We're going to have the whole day. And then in the evenings, you can all go out for dinner. There are wonderful restaurants in
Mhm.
Cleveland and museums and all kinds of things. And this is what we did in Betty's apartment. And women could come into New York and kind of make their own schedule. And maybe they would stay with a friend, or maybe they do an Airbnb, or maybe they'd splurge for a nice, hotel.
Mhm.
But we thought it would be nice to lower the price. So it's $1,500, and we know times are tough. So that is the workshop price. That's all in, with brunch and with the barbell and the wand.
We have an online course, a pre-course and a post-course that supports you with the work as well. So that way, before you even come, you can get started and then continue your practice afterward.